Okay, so today we will discuss about PDF automation. Now, PDF automation is all about extracting information from PDF. Now, this concept of automation depends on following topics. One is selector, other one is screen scraping, third one is your keystrokes, keyboard keystrokes. If these topics are clear, your PDF automation is just a 10 minutes job and your Windows automation, or you can say as desktop automation. So PDF automation is not a new concept or not a new kind of automation. It is like reading a document and getting the information from the PDF. To achieve this kind of automation, we should be aware of following concepts. What is OCR? How to use OCR? How to perform desktop automation, both manual and automated way. Then keyboard, keystrokes, screen scrapping, and selector. So if we are clear with this topic, this entire automation will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes to understand because same activity will come back over here to perform the automation. Now for performing PDF automation, UiPath provides PDF activity, PDF automation activity. There are two types of PDF automation activity. One is your read complete PDF or read full PDF, or you can say read PDF. So every person gives their own naming convention. So I'll just put forward all the name. Second is read PDF with OCR. That's it. So UiPath provides these two activities to perform PDF data extraction, and that is only called as PDF automation. Now, first try to understand what are different types of PDF documents. PDF are those documents which have the extension .pdf. So if you see on my screen, I'm opening up one PDF sample which I have downloaded today. So this is one of the PDF document. A PDF document is something which looks like a standard document. It has some information and it has the extension .pdf. PDF document contains formatted text. PDF document contain formatted text. PDF document can contain images as well. So in a broad category, generally technically we say that PDF are of two types. One is PDF with full text. Second one is PDF with images. Third one is PDF with both images and text. Normally PDF automation, when we say we are performing PDF automation, which means we are extracting information from the PDF. What is a PDF? PDF is a standard document which contains formatted text. It can also contains image as well. What are different types of PDF? PDF with full text, that means a PDF document which has only text. PDF with images, that means a PDF document which has only images. And some PDF document will have mix of both. So I'll just show you some sample over here. So this is one of the PDF which is called as invoice. It is a customer invoice. I have taken this from the internet. It is freely available for the sample. So this is a kind of PDF which has image also. It also has text and it also has formatted text. Your table, you can see over here in the background, one select is coming up. That is also an image. It belongs to ANZ Bank. Oh, I didn't saw that. So this is how a PDF will look like. Apart from that, there are other types of PDF. This is a PDF which is just a full text. It contains only text. Also, there's one more PDF. So this PDF contains both image, formatted text, and the content. You can see over here. So a PDF can be varied according to the PDF format. You can see over here we have text also, we have word arts, we have graph, and then we have the mix of fonts and text over here. So when we say PDF automation, it means extraction of this information from the PDF document and do the further processing. When it comes to UiPath, so UiPath PDF automation description. First thing is that UiPath can automate only structured PDF, which means we cannot take any random PDF and we start extracting the information. There are certain structure that PDF should be there. We cannot automate unstructured PDF. Now to automate the PDF, we have various options available. So that those are called as approach. There are different approach to automate a PDF. The first approach is that use PDF read text activity. If you're not able to perform the operation with that PDF read activity, try to use keyboard shortcuts. Like you can see over here in my screen, I have this PDF. If I press Ctrl A, I can select the entire thing. I can press Ctrl C, and then when I open the notepad, you can see I can get all the content. So this is also a type of PDF automation. So the second approach of PDF automation is sending keyboard shortcuts. The third approach for PDF automation is get text using element recognition. If you want to have a specific kind of data to be extracted, then we can use get text using element recognition. The fourth approach is OCR. There are different OCR available: Google, Microsoft. These two are default OCR. Apart from that, you can also install some other OCR like ABPY and some IBM. OCR is a kind of thing which help you to read a character from the image. That is an approach which is preserved in the last. Before that, we have these three activities which gives us a guarantee that they will extract the information. When you come to OCR, we cannot expect 100% of information from the image because OCR scans only those images which it is able to read. So sometimes we'll get the data, sometimes we will not be able to get the data. So that's reason OCR is the approach which is used in the last when nothing is working. But ideally, all the PDF will be automated with the help of first 1 to 3, and then in the worst case, we go with the OCR when the PDF contains images and inside the image we have the text. So you can see over here, this is a PDF. So this invoice is something. If we are not able to extract this invoice, we can use OCR and we can extract this with the help of OCR. That's how it is working. But now this is a standard text with a font, so OCR will work superb. But if you try to extract this kind of image like your sliced invoice, so this is the place where OCR will fail because OCR is not applied to all the kind of text. That's a limitation it is having. Even though we have very advanced OCR, but there are limitations that OCR will never give you 100% result. It will either 60%, 70% based on the PDF type. So these are some basic concepts which we have to understand before we go for the PDF automation. So let's try to do a practical of it. So we have the PDF ready. So I'm just going to create one blank process. Now we have this PDF, that is your sample PDF one, and it has some text. So this is a PDF which has only text. So let's try to automate this PDF and get all the information. Before we go for PDF automation, first make sure that your zoom percentage is 100, because if it is 100%, your PDF will work fine. Your UiPath automation will work fine. If it is more than 100%, there are chances where text will not be visible properly. So make sure that zoom percentage is 100. Go to UiPath. Now for PDF automation, there is no new activity or dedicated activity to perform the automation. It's a mix of Windows and it is a mix of PDF. So go to your package manager, and from here you have to install PDF. You can see in my system, my screen, I have already installed this PDF activity. So you have to install PDF activity over here, or you can go to available. So UiPath has already given PDF activities which has some basic set of operations. Once it is installed, you can just go back to your app integration, and here you can find PDF. So PDF gives you two activities: PDF with text and PDF with OCR. When you want to read the entire PDF, so when you want to read entire PDF, like you have a PDF of this kind of sample demonstration, then directly you can convert the entire PDF to the text. So you can see over here, I'm taking this PDF and I'm converting the entire PDF to the text. This is using the default mode which UiPath is giving up, and the output will be your text. We'll take one message box to display the information. So now when I execute the process, this will extract the entire text from the PDF. It doesn't matter how many contents, how many images are there, or how many values are there. Whatever text it is getting, it will give you the text. After that, once you have the text, you can use string operation and you can perform the operation as desired or as per your requirement. Now a read PDF text will not be able to read the images. It will read only the text which is available in your raw form. So like suppose we have the PDF over here. This PDF contains only text. So we can very directly use PDF text. But in case if this PDF is also containing the image, like suppose this kind of PDF, so all the images will be ignored and you will have only the text. So if you try to understand the second PDF, I'm going to try to execute. You can see it has given the text, but okay, just a minute. So you can see it has given you the text. So wherever it is visible, it has given you the entire text, and wherever the image was there, you can see it has not given you any image content. It has only the text content. So that's all this full activity will do. It will convert the entire PDF. Wherever it is visible, it will extract the text and give you the text. This was the first approach. Now second approach is that let's suppose you want to extract the text from the image kind of PDF where you are not able to extract with the help of normal read mode. Then you can use read pair PDF with OCR. You can go here on the screen, select the file, and then you drag the OCR which you want to use. So you can just type OCR. So by default, we have so many OCRs available over here. So by default, Google OCR and Microsoft OCR will work fine. Apart from that, you have to configure Abby and Google Cloud. So when you drag this OCR over here, Devendra, now it is fine. Devendra, can you hear me?
Yes, Mayur. Now I can hear you.
Okay. So I was explaining the second option, which is read PDF with OCR. Normally, a PDF can be read with the help of read PDF text, but this will convert the entire PDF into the text. Wherever we have the image, this read PDF will not work. Then we have the second option that we can read the entire PDF with the help of OCR. So what OCR will do, it will try to understand the entire text, whether it is from image or whether it is from the normal text or whether it is from some kind of formatting, and it will give you the text. So those places where your manual approach of automation is failing, you can use this OCR. So how to add this read text with OCR? Just go to app integration, select read PDF with OCR, drag it over here. Here you browse your PDF which you want to scan, and then after that you drag the OCR which you want to use it. So already we have so many OCRs available, but the default OCR which is Microsoft and Google will work superb for the requirement. So you have to select the OCR and you have to drag it over here. Once you drag the OCR over here, the configuration is done automatically. And when you select it, in the right side you can see the properties. So automatically these are configured to the default. So read PDF with OCR will give you the container to add the OCR, and then the Google OCR, which is already configured by default. You can extract the text and can use it. So the output from the OCR is what coming over here. You can see over here it is the result, or if you want to have a text, it is having also the text. So you can just type output, and then we take the output and we display it in the message box. So it is not trying to use the OCR and trying to give the text which is visible in the message box. So it will take some time. Okay, it is taking time to execute. So let's wait for the output. Still executing it. So it is still executing. We need to wait for some time. So I'll stop it and just explaining one more option over here. Now by default, this read PDF with OCR will read the entire PDF. Let's suppose you want to read only specific page. So when you select on this activity, in the right side you will find option called range. So by default it will read all the page. If you want to read only specific page, you can just give the page number. If you want to have 2 3 pages, you can give range like this. So let's suppose you want to read only one page, because if you give all, it is taking more time to execute. So we have the entire text. Now this time this text has came with the help of OCR. So you can see over here we have some symbols. That means this is an image. And then we have all the text which is able to identify. So when it,
So maybe here it is not reading the images. How it will represent images in the output.
Devendra, your voice is not clear. Can you just speak once again?
how it is reading the images and how it is representing in the output.
Okay, so read PDF with OCR is something which read the PDF with the OCR. Means we are using Google OCR over here. This OCR will scan the entire PDF for the text and will give you the output. And the output we are storing in the
So image it won't read image.
image only. So this PDF you can see over here, the input is image. Each page of the PDF will go as the image only. So when you say the PDF, right, every PDF inside this PDF, right, we have 5 pages. Every page is an image. Every PDF page is an image. From that image, if we have normal text, it will be able to extract it. But if we have this kind of image inside the image, then this is something where your normal PDF extraction will not work. And this is a place where we are using OCR. So your OCR, when you say read PDF with OCR, so it is automatically taking each page as an image only. So if I click over here, you can see the range. I have given page 1. So that means image 1 of the PDF. And then we have dragged a Google OCR over here. So this OCR is already by default configured. So in the when you go down in the bottom, you can see the text is coming as the output. Same if you try to use a read text, which is a default text editor, default text reading. So all the options will come also over here, but the only thing is that this is without OCR. This is using some kind of API which converts the PDF to text file. Here also we can specify the range. So Devendra, did I answer your question?
Yes, somewhat because the voice is getting between. Today meeting quality is not good. So I'm seeing that low signals in the meeting today.
Okay. From here the signal is good only. It is showing green color, but I'm not sure. Okay, anyhow the recording will be there. So the recording will not be have a disturbed voice. It will be having full plain voice.
Okay.
So now let's suppose you want to extract only specific kind of information from the PDF. So till now we have been using two PDF activities. So that is entirely for all the PDF pages or the specific pages. Let's suppose you want to extract only specific element of the page. I want to extract all this information. You can see over here in the screen. I am selecting the information. Let's suppose I want to extract only this particular information. So this is the place where we don't have to use this read PDF or read PDF with OCR. This is the place where we have to use screen scraping over here. So this screen scraping, we can specify the region on the screen and will automatically extract the text and give the output. So let's suppose I want to execute that, extract that information. So we'll click on screen scraping. You can see the entire screen is considered as a PDF now. So wherever you want to extract the information, I want this information to be extracted. Drag the image, select, and you can see over here we have screen scraping API. So by default your full text is not able to extract the information. So we're going to use OCR. When we use OCR, so now with the help of OCR we are able to extract some information. Maybe if you want to try with Microsoft OCR, you can just give a try. Please visit us to learn. So Microsoft OCR was able to extract the information. This is what we extract a specific information from the PDF. We can also use native. No text extracted from this region. So native was not able to extract the text. Similarly, if you want to define some other region, let's suppose I want to extract this information, drag a region over here, and then you select your scrapping method. So by default, full text works without OCR, so it is not able to scrap the information. But you can always use OCR, and the best OCR is Google OCR. It will just click on refresh. See, it is able to extract the information. Same if you can use Microsoft OCR also, it will give you the output. This kind of thing is used when you want to have the specific information. The way screen scraper works, similarly for Windows application or web application, the same understanding comes over here when we're dealing with the PDF automation. So if the concept of screen scraping is clear, that means the PDF automation concept is also the same over here. Once you've extracted the information, you can click on this finish and the code will be generated. Scroll down over here, take a message box, connect it over here, and then you can see over here screen scraping has already defined all the events and all the activities. We just has to use the text. So using Microsoft OCR, I'm storing the output in the output data item or the output variable, and then we come back over here and we just display the output over here. So click on play. So now with the help of your screen scrapping, we're able to scrap the specific value from the PDF. Click on OK. So that's how PDF automation works. So Devender, I have made one assignment for this PDF automation. I'll just show you. So this is an assignment which you have to do PDF automation. Now the understanding is very simple. Based on your web scraping, screen scraping, you have to extract the information. So this is what you have to do. You have to go to this website. After going to this website, you have to extract this entire table with the help of OCR or PDF automation techniques. I'll share you this image and this website link. So you have to extract this table and then you store the information in the data item or in the string operation or wherever in the text file you store it. You have to navigate to this website metasport.com. So if I open on my screen, so navigate to this website and try to extract this entire table first with the help of your screen scraping. Second, you try to extract that table with the help of data scraping. Then you have to extract this graph information and save it as an image. So Devendra, you're there. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello,
Okay.
hello,
Yeah, Devendra, I have made this assignment. Okay, I have modified this. So you have to do this assignment. You have to follow this document. It will be enough for you to understand, and you try to achieve this automation.
okay, okay.
So thanks, Devendra, for the time. And I don't think
Oh,
that today's video was that much okay.
okay, Mayur.
No problem. I'll upload in the video, and you can
Yeah,
just go with the assignment.
okay.